clinic. We don't actually have a clinic.
What's going on, guys? So, deal is, so when did it happen? 2 days?
2 days before we came here.
2 days before we came here. We, Bo had a little bump on his hand, popped it, and then it became swollen, and he's been dealing with a lot of pain over the past few days. It's kind of at the point now where it's, I have to call it clinic, try to go get it looked at, because it's pretty rough looking. It's pretty bad. He's got him swollen all in the, he has no knuckles. Like,
Clinic. I don't know. Let's just go.
Alright. So we're gonna try to find a clinic to get this thing looked at.
Yeah. But first, we need to pack up all of our equipment because we're going
To Valley of
to
Fire.
Valley of Fire today.
Thing for check wallers, more sidewinders, all sorts of good stuff. But first things first, you gotta make sure you have a hand by the end of the trip.
Yeah.
And that in the light. That's what it's doing. And believe it or not, that looks better than what it did. Yeah. What are you doing? Don't record this.
So we're here.
Yep.
Get things taken care of.
At the Walgreens.
Walgreens. Hopefully it's open. But if it's not, I guess we're gonna have to go to the ER.
Yeah. So, we're going to go check out an urgent care instead because the sign-in thing for this clinic, only opening they have is at 3:20. And
Is that stupid or what? There's like 3 people in there.
that's really, really stupid. So, we're going to go check it out so we can get something done a little bit quicker so we can still get out to Valley of Fire. We're wanting to get out there about like 5 or 6-ish. And enough time to hit some stuff when it's going to be crossing the roads. So, yeah, it's off to this urgent care center. Fun. So how's the hand feeling compared to what it was earlier?
It's it hurts. Yeah.
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 Is that swollen looking?
Looks like it's still the same, pretty much.
Oh wow, that thing, dude, that thing is
Ugly.
yeah.
Yeah.
It's looking rough. Alright, so just got out of the thing. Care center. What'd they say?
They said that I need to do warm compresses and then take some antibiotics, and I need to do some sort of strong ointment, 1 application to the skin 3 times a day for 10 days, and then the tablet, the Bactrim DS, 1 tablet by mouth twice a day.
Sweet.
So I can take that with my 1,800 milligrams of Tylenol and ibuprofen every 8 hours.
Well, we're on our way to Valley of Fire now. It's, what's the temp? It's 99 degrees. 99 degrees. And we're going to be getting there around 4. So I figure once we get there, shoot some openings on B-roll sequences. Start out the video as you guys saw. And then kind of go into, just kind of wing it. Probably start out looking for lizards and stuff. And then once it gets a little later, big road that goes through there that I really want to head up to cruise for some snakes and stuff. So me and Rob were talking about it, and he told me that if I didn't find a herp out here, that I just need to quit. Just quit. YouTube, herping, life in general. Just done. Like 10 sites and stuff that are like 30 minutes away from Snake Road. So really good for like hognose snakes and yeah.
I want that so bad.
Yeah.
We're gonna kiss it on the lips. As long as it's not venomous. But listen to
They're not venomous.
huh?
They're not venomous.
Yeah, right. What was I gonna say? I was gonna say a thing. I don't know. Well, anyways, it's gonna be so fun and we're super excited.
Oh yeah, it's gonna be a blast.
Look,
Oh yeah.
What?
We're throwing
Chipmunk.
down.
Is it a chipmunk?
I think.
We're throwing down.
Yeah, have some beers for us.
Yeah.